हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 13 स्टैटिक्स। व्हाट इज स्टैटिक्स? स्टैटिक्स मीन्स static means numerical representation. With many methods. This will be mean, median, mode. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. We are in this chapter now we learn about mean. What is a mean? Mean means average of a numbers. If we have different numbers, then frequency will also be different. So their mean will be x bar is equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus so on fn2 xn. f1 plus f2 fn. So mean will be sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is sigma. This is a Greek letter. There are three methods of a mean. First is direct method. Second is deviation method or assume mean method. Third is step deviation method. If we have given class intervals, so class interval will be calculated by upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. First is direct method. What is a direct method? It is a simple x bar given xi and fi is be multiplied and divided by fi. This is simple first method. Second is deviation method or assume mean method. In this, we assume A, which is central xi. So formula will be, first we calculate deviation, that equals to xi minus a and that mean will be A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. This is for assuming method or derivation method. Third is step derivation method. In step derivation method, we use class interval. The formula will be x equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into multiply by class interval. Now fi ui, how can we calculate? There will be ui equals to xi minus e upon h, or we can write derivation is divided by class interval. This is our formulas. Now we take exercise. Here we start exercise 13.1. First question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को हम तीनों मेथड से करेंगे. नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स, number of houses. This is Fi 0 to 2 1 0 to 2 plants, houses 1, 2 to 4 2 house, 4 to 6 1 house, 6 to 8 5 houses, 8 to 10 6 house, 10 to 12 2 house, 12 to 14 3 houses. This is Fi. Now Xi 0 to 2 1, 2 to 4 2, 4 to 6, sorry, this is 3, 4 to 6 5, 6 to 8 7, 8 to 8 10, 9, 10 to 10 11, 12 to 14 13. Sigma Fi equals to 20. Now Xi Fi, multiply this. 1 1 ja 1, 2 3 ja 6, 5 1 ja 5, 7 5 ja 35, 6 9 ja 54, 11 2 ja 22, 13 3 ja 39. Sigma Xi Fi equals to, after this sum, this will be 162. First we use direct method. Direct method is equals to x bar equals to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. This equals to 162 upon 20. It will be, answer will be 8.1. ठीक है, average is 8.1. Now second is derivation method. We assume there, assume mean is 5. We take 5. A equals to 5. So derivation will be, formula is Xi minus A, means Xi minus 5. This will take formula So 1 minus 5 equals to minus 4. 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2. 5 equals 0. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. 11 minus 5 equals to 6 and 13 minus 5 equals to 8. Now FIDI equals to minus 4, minus 2 and 2 equals to minus 4, 0 1 is 0, 2 5 is 10, 4 6 is 24, 6 2 is 12 and 8 3 is 24. After calculation, this will be sigma FIDI equals to 62. Now put in a formula x bar equals to a plus sigma FIDI upon sigma Fi. A there is 5 plus sigma FIDI equals to 62, sigma Fi equals to 60, 20. So take LCM. 100 plus 62, 162 upon 20, that equals to 8.1. Answer is 8.1. Same direct and division method have a same answer. Third is step division method. Step division method in wants h. The h equals to difference between upper and lower limit is 2. So h equals to 2. There ui equals to di upon h. So your di h equals to 2. So di equals to minus 4 divided by minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So now FIUI equals to minus 2, minus 2, 0, 1 5s are 5, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Sigma FIUI equals to 31. Now put in the formulas. A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma FI into H. A is 5, sigma FIUI is 31 upon sigma FI equals to 20 plus into 2, that equals to 10. So 5 plus 3.1 equals to 8.1. This is our answer. So answer is 8.1. Next question, question number 2. Consider the following distribution daily wages of a 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in a rupees. Number of workers. $500 to $520, that is a 12. This is FI. $520 to $540, 14, 540 to 560, 8, 560 to 580 equals to 6, and 580 to 600 equals to 10. Now xi 510 upper limit plus lower limit class interval equals to upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, that equals to 500 plus 520 upon 2, that equals to 10. 10 equals to 510. इसको हम ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं, 500 और 520 के बीच में 510 आता है, 520 के और 540 के बीच में 530 आता है, 540 से 560 के बीच में 550, 570 और 590. We can also be right. Now XIFI. After multiplication, this will be 6120. 14 of 530 equals to 7420. 550 into 8, 4400. 570 into 6 equals to 3420. And 590, this is 5900. Sigma Fi is given, that equals to 50, and after we can also calculate sigma Fi Xi equals to 27260. डायरेक्ट मेथड, इसमें भी हम तीनों मेथड से एक बार फिर से समझेंगे. डायरेक्ट मेथड, दैट इक्वल्स टू x bar equals to sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi 27260 divided by 50. After dividation we found 545.2. Clear? Now second derivation method. In derivation method, 550 is the in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have taken 550. A equals to 550. So di equals to xi minus a. So di equals to xi minus 550. So we found 550 minus 510 equals to minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20, and that found 40. Now sigma Fi di 40 into 12 equals to minus 480, minus 280, 0, 2 6 are 12, and 400. They will found minus 240. Sigma Fi di found minus 240. Now put in a formula, A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. A 550 plus sigma Fi di minus 240 upon 50, cancel. So this is equals to 550 plus there is minus, plus minus minus, minus 4.8. So we'll found 545.2. Clear? Next, third method, step derivation method. There h will be 20, 500 and 520. H will be 20. In a question we can say 500 minus 520, 20. 520 minus 540, so 20. So H equals to 20. So di upon H means di upon 20. Di there is a minus 40, so will be found minus 2. Di minus 20, then minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So सिग्मा या ui, ठीक है. तो fi ui इक्वल्स टू minus 2 and 12, that equals to minus 24, minus 14, 0, 1 6 are 6, 2 10 are 20. So fi ui equals to minus 12. Now put in a formula. A plus x bar A plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi multiply by h. A there is 550 plus fi ui, that equals to minus 12, sigma f equals to 50, h equals to 20. So 550 minus 4.8, this will be 545.2. So answer is 545.2. Next question, question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance of rupees 18. Find the missing frequency. Daily pocket allowance. Number of children, that equals to fi. 11 to 13, 7. 13 to 15, 6. 15 to 17, 9. 17 to 19, 13. 19 to 21, that is F. This frequency is missing. 21 to 23 equals to 5, and 23 to 25 equals to 4. Now xi equals to 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. xi fi equals to 12 7 is 84, 14 6 is 84, 16 9 is 144, 18 13 is 234, that equals to 20 f. 25 is 110, 24 4 is 96. So there will be frequency will be 44 plus f, and there will be after addition 752 plus 20f. Now we take direct method for calculation. So x bar, direct method, x bar equals to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Their average is 18 according to question. Average mean is 18. So 18 equals to 752 plus 20f upon 44f. So 18 into 44f plus f equals to 752 plus 20f. So 1844 is a 792 plus 18f equals to 752 plus 20f. So 792 minus 752 equals to 20 minus 20f minus 18f. So 2f equals to 40. So f equals to 40 upon 2, that equals to 20. So missing frequency is 20. That is our answer. Thank you.